Today's episode is Dark Pac-Man uses the staff vending machine / grounded. And this was requested by Raiyan Rahman.
Yuck. I hate all the products served in a student's vending machine like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine which serves real soda and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge. And yay. It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh heck no. I'm busted. It's Principal Eric.
Dark Pac-Man, I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you'll be really mad. But yes, I did.
Dark Pac-Man, how dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You're now suspended for 8 weeks. Get out now.
Dark Pac-Man. I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those vending machines are restricted for your school teachers and administration only.
But Dad, the soda in the student vending machine tasted gross.
I don't care. You're grounded for 437 centuries. Go to bed now.